Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Merty. So today we'll be talking about Yummy hair extensions. I got some hair from Yummy. I've been seeing reviews on YouTube here and there, and I thought I'd try it because I'm looking for a virgin hair or something. So I tried it. The hair comes in a FedEx bag, so they ship with FedEx. So, and I would say you have to be home, because if you're not home, they won't be able to leave your package because you have to sign for it. So you have to like make time to go get it, or like be home so you can be able to pick it up. First, the hair comes in. When I take out the FedEx pack, it comes in this wine color bag. It comes with this back stuff. It said Yummy hair extensions. It just said you hair care tips for straight and wavy texture. So it just have all the stuff on here. Anyway, and then when you take it out, it just said thank you for being a yummy girl. That is so cool. In depth, I got the Lao Wavy. I think that's what it's called, the Lao Wavy. I got 3 bundles of 16 inches. So I was trying to also get I was also trying to purchase the 13x6 frontal, but that stuff is never in stock. I'm sorry, it's never in stock. It's always out of stock. Every time that I go on our website, it's always out of stock. And I'm like, and then I saw they had a YouTube video a long time. They said they had a 6x6 closure. I can't find that either on the website. They have a 5x5, but the 5x5 is always sold out. So I'm like, I've been having this hair for the past 3 to 4 months. I've been waiting. I was trying to do a review for you guys, but I was waiting to buy the frontal, then do the review. But it just can't come in stock. So this is how they come individually packaged in this pink silk bag with the gold. It just says Yummy extensions on here, and oops, let's see here. It just says Lao 16 inches is on the top of it, and this thing here, you guys can see, it's really beautiful here. It have no smell. It smells good. It smells good. This is so from the weft. This is the weft. This is how the weft looks like. I just come closer. I just kind of, my nails, but this is the weft. So the head is full all the way to the end. It's like full, really nice, bouncy. I can't wait to wear this hair, but I'm trying to get their frontal with the hair. So I will just open them all so you guys can see. This is a really quick unboxing of this hair, because I've been waiting so long to show you guys. And this is another 16. Like I said, I got 3 16 of hair. And this is the third one. The same thing, all 3. Got them all 3 and 16. The hair is beautiful, guys. This is like a really good investment. I'm just coming close to the camera so you guys can really pick out the texture of the hair. Really nice. That's the ends. And this the weft. Really nice. And it's beautiful, guys. And like I said, there's no smell. It smells good. There's no fly away or anything. I will also install this hair and kind of review it after wearing it for a couple months, because I've seen people come back with this hair after like a year or so. But I wouldn't go that long. I will come back and I'll just give you guys updates about the hair. But guys, look at this hair. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I really love it. Just imagine your girl with this. I would be like, so oops. So this is the hair. It smells so good. I got this hair, the Lao Wavy, the 3 bundles of hair of 16 inches. I paid like $390 some dollars. less than 400, and then they charge I think $20 for shipping if I'm not mistaken. I will kind of put everything, if it's not true or if it's so, I will just kind of put it in the video so you guys can see, because I can really, like I said, I got this hair 3 months ago and I've been waiting for the frontal to come back in stocks ever since then. So yeah, they kind of tells you the hair care tips, like what you should wash with your hair. So yeah, I will follow it and get the Tresemme. I think that's what they recommend. So I'll get that, and then yeah. So the hair is really pretty, and it comes in this like natural color. I'm not sure how the camera and the lighting is picking it up, but it's not. It's really pretty, guys. Just look at the hair. It's so pretty. And then the strands are just all straight, like in one straight stuff. It just, this hair is beautiful. And I'm also trying to I will try like the, I think it's called the Brahman deep wave or deep curly. I want to try that and see, because if you follow them on Instagram, like the pictures are just so pretty. The curls is so beautiful. That curl is so beautiful. So yeah, I'll try it. But yeah, this is the hair. And you guys let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you want to try it. I would say if you've been waiting or thinking if you want to try it, I bought this hair with my own money. And nobody sent it to me for free, so I'm just giving you the real tea on it. It's really good. This is a really good investment. I always buy hair from AliExpress, but this is beautiful. This reminds me of when AliExpress, back in the days when it just started like selling hair, there was this vendor used to, I think they call her Queen Hair. I'm not sure if she's still on AliExpress, but back then, Queen Hair, the quality of Queen Hair, this is just beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is some really good quality hair, some high-end hair, very good investment. This is a hair that will last you very long if you take care of it, and yeah, it will look beautiful on you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. It encouraged me to make video. Thank you. Bye guys.